Seeing life from the heavens, looking down, helps us be more aware of the incredible nature of our world. That's what our brand is all about, helping you capture and relive experiences that celebrate you as a human. And that's why we built Karma. It's not just aerial, it's not just handheld, it's not just wearable or mountable. Karma is all of these things. It's a complete system.
There's a lot of very complicated technology that goes into making Karma. Our challenge was really to take something that is conventionally very complex and simplify it enough that anyone can go take Karma and put it up in the air with no problem whatsoever.
From the get-go, we set out to design Karma to be incredibly portable. We didn't want you to have to ask yourself, do I want to take Karma today? We wanted to make it so convenient that you would ask yourself, why wouldn't I take Karma today?
It's all in that one case. It's ready to go, backpack style. What's great about Karma is that if I bring it and don't use it, it still doesn't get in the way of my experience at all.
One of our big things was to try and get that profile to be as small as possible.
So we moved the stabilizer up front. We wanted to achieve portability in the product. Moving the stabilizer up front was also important because typically when you're flying another drone, your propellers will be in view. And that will almost never happen with Karma.
The portability of Karma is awesome. The fact that you can fold in the landing gear, you can fold in the arms, you can put the controller in the case, the aircraft with the stabilizer, the Karma grip, all in that case, ready to go. This is amazing.
We decided that Karma should be much more than a drone. Karma should really be an end-to-end life capture solution.
This really is more than a drone. You're able to take the stabilizer right out of the drone, pop it into the hand grip, and take this around with you and get that same fluid shot, but on the ground.
The Karma grip has a really cool ability to be an extension of your camera. So on the grip itself, you get to control the camera shutter buttons, you get to change camera modes, you change the stabilizer's angle, and you get to power on the camera and off. And then furthermore, you can take the Karma grip and mount it into the full GoPro ecosystem of mounts. I'm excited about how users are going to use it to create the best GoPro footage yet.
Capturing your life from these perspectives is so incredible that we really wanted to make it accessible to everybody. People are going to be surprised at how easy Karma is to fly.
When you're out there holding the controller, it feels amazing. It's optimized for outdoor conditions, it's super bright, and it utilizes all the same familiar gestures that you would have on a smartphone. So it's really familiar when a user picks it up.
There's one button, takeoff and landing. There's return to home that are automatic when you press the button. All with the goal of creating this very safe and responsible method of flying.
We've got a flight simulator at the end of the setup process that explains to the user very simply all the things that they need to know to fly.
The Karma system has a feature called auto shot paths, and that really creates this powerful combination of the flying robot doing some of the work and you creating the sort of the scene and the capture.
The Karma controller has this great feature called Passenger App, allowing you to share your experience with a friend.
It allows them to see that live video. It allows them to control the camera through their iPhone, through their tablet. It allows them to capture the shot without actually having to worry about flying.
I think everyone wants to be able to fly, and being able to control something or see something that's flying, there's a lot of power behind that.
We needed to make Karma not only a flying solution, but also a handheld solution, a mountable solution. Basically, Karma needs to be used in all the ways that our customers use GoPro. In that way, Karma has become, in some sense, the ultimate GoPro.
This is exactly what I want from a drone. Like the whole thing unfolds, and now you have this aerial capture device. It's something that really blows your mind.
It's magical when you review the footage that you've captured on Karma. You just see things that you've never seen before.
The quality of content that our customers will capture with Karma, I think, is going to change everything again.